Hello, my name is Hugh Woodrow and I'm one of the senior attorneys here at the Cronin Law Firm. As part of the estate planning department here, we have workshops that we entitled The 7 Threats to Your Estate. 2 of those threats that we identify are failing to plan when you can and when your health fails. Under today's uncertain times with the coronavirus and everyone being concerned about becoming ill, those are 2 of the most important parts that we need to discuss today. First off, what happens when your health fails? You want to make sure that you have the proper documents in place. The 2 documents that are most important in this area are your healthcare power of attorney and your financial power of attorney. These 2 documents will enable you to designate somebody to make medical decisions for you if you're not able. And the other document, the financial power of attorney, will enable that person or a different person, if you so designate, to take care of the financial issues in your life. You want to make sure that you have these people picked out properly, and you want to make sure that they cover the different things that we discuss in our workshops. The first thing that you need to talk about with the healthcare power of attorney, which I believe is most important, is you want to be very careful that the person that you're picking not only knows what you want to happen in medical situations and when you're incapacitated, but they're also able to act out on those wishes that you have. It's also, you want to take into consideration the fact that your child or your mother or your father or the person that you're picking to be this healthcare power of attorney for you might not be able or willing to do what is necessary and what you wish in those very trying and traumatic times. Again, if you are ill and on life support, will the person you designate as a healthcare power of attorney able to technically pull the plug on you and make it so that those life-saving efforts are no longer available to you? In that same vein, while you're in the hospital, while you're incapacitated for whatever reason it might be, who has the authority to handle your financial affairs? And that's why the financial power of attorney is also important. You want to make sure that that person has the ability to make sure all your bills are being paid, your medical bills, your home bills, utilities, insurance, mortgages, whatever else it is. And you also want to make sure that person has the ability at the same time to make financial decisions that you would normally make for your loved ones. If you have a child that's in school, or if you have a parent or an aunt or an uncle who is in an assisted living facility and you help with the payments of those things, you want to make sure that your financial power of attorney has the authority in place in order to make those tuition payments, to make the rent payments, to make the payment to the assisted living facility for your loved one. These are 2 of the most important things that you need to deal with, especially given today's environment. Thank you.